Good morning. It's Wednesday, and just gonna do a quick video. One, because I don't have time to type out a whole post, and two, although the pattern is not great for a snowstorm along the East Coast, we are going to see wintry precipitation. Mainly a little bit late Friday night, early Saturday morning, and then again probably a little bit more noticeable late Sunday night into Monday, or maybe even Sunday afternoon into late Sunday night. So real quick, let's take a look at what's going on here. This is just going to be a precipitation map, rain, snow, ice. So you can see this big low pressure system currently heading up into Canada, and this is going to swing a very large cold front that you see develop right here. Cold front's rose to the south of the low pressure system, and you can see behind the cold front you have snow breaking out across the plains. This will accumulate several inches. This then pushes to our area where it gives us rain. This is on early Saturday morning. And then it ends in some snow and snow showers. So northwestern counties could pick up an inch out of this, I think, when it's all said and done. But again, not a big deal for us. Just rain changing a little bit of light snow. But still, it's wintry precipitation. Then things get more interesting. Notice this big storm system developing here. And notice that all these areas of high pressure inland. Now, this high pressure is basically rotates clockwise. So what it does is it brings in a lot of cold Arctic air right into this boundary right here. And you have a very, very decently progressive storm system running into that cold air. Now this storm system's track is going to be pretty much inland like this. So eventually it's going to bring up all the warm air from the south because storm systems rotate counterclockwise. But before it does that, it has to move this area high pressure, cold high pressure out of the way. So during that transition phase, we're going to see snow to sleet to freezing rain to plain rain, especially over northwestern counties. You can see it developing here. This is 1 o'clock on Sunday. You see snow starts to break out. Definitely along Pennsylvania or northwest counties in New Jersey. By late Sunday night, it's still trying to hold its ground, the snow in our most northern counties. Also still trying to snow in Pennsylvania. Big ice storm looks like it wants to shape up over the Appalachians. Notice this little wedge here. That's called cold air damming. What happens is this high spins cold air down, hits the Appalachian Mountains, and it sits against the mountains. So that's why you can get some pretty bad ice storms there. And this would definitely be a consideration for those areas. So finally, it looks like by about 1 o'clock in the morning on Monday, this changes to probably freezing rain, plain rain northwest, all just rain to the south. And you can see it pulls in all the warm air, like I said, and it's out of here by the end of the day on Monday. To take a look here at what the snow printouts are looking to be, this is accumulated from Friday through Saturday. This is a European model, which is a close zoomed in view of what it's showing. Now, I really, really would be surprised if we see this much snow in the northern counties. This has 6 inches, almost 10, over 11. I think if you take this and push and bring this about 45 miles to the northwest, you have a good bet. So I think there'll be anywhere I-80, not I-80, I'd say probably maybe a little north of 78 here. You'll see over 2 inches of snow. Maybe up in Sussex you'll see 4, maybe 5 inches before it's all said and done. Morris County, few inches of snow with the system before it changes to sleet and freezing rain. So I'll keep an eye on this, see how it looks over the next few days. I'm confident that we are going to see frozen precipitation. I just don't know how much in terms of snowfall. And quite frankly, it's 5 days out, so it's a little far to start making a prediction. Real quick, look how cold it's going to be. These are temperature anomalies in Fahrenheit, so how much below normal it is for this time of year. Look at how cold it is out here in the West Coast. These are anomalies that are 30 degrees Fahrenheit below normal for this time of year. That's just extreme cold that you don't see too often in December. It's been quite a long time. Notice it's warm along the East Coast. Like I said, the pattern's not great for big snowstorms. And you can see that cold air eventually wants to try to work its way to east, but there's a stubborn southeast ridge forming here, and that's due to we do not have a negative phase at NAO yet. So I think the pattern will get a little more favorable for an actual snowstorm towards the end of the month, but for right now we have a little frozen precip to deal with a little bit Friday night and more mainly Sunday night. And keep checking in. I'll have updates.